Golden Dorado are considered one of the hardest fishing freshwater game fish on Earth. Anglers from around the world travel to Argentina in hopes of catching one. Our combo offers the opportunity to divide the trip between two destinations. Simple and easy, two completely different experiences in just 1 week. Set fly fishing is the only outfitter fishing the west boundary of the Iberdown wetlands. You will fish the gin-clear waters of endless creeks, channels, and lagoons in a unique and untouched natural environment. La Alondra Lodge and 2 camps in the middle of the natural reserve make our exclusive accommodations for this part of the trip. Lots of action on surface patterns with top service and accommodations is what make this a must. An easy 30-minute private flight connects the 2 parts of the trip without losing time on the water. The Upper Paraná River offers you the chance to catch a truly once-in-a-lifetime Golden Dorado trophy.
Muy lindo. Gracias, Carlos.
You will be staying at Itatí Lodge, just a short boat ride between the action. You will also fish for the omnivorous species, pacu and pita to top one more item on the menu. Take Golden Dorado out of your bucket list. Call Set Fly Fishing and book your trip today.